In this video, I'm going to show you some of the routines that I created to show labels on charts using Visual Basic for applications. I already showed you in other videos how to use this, but I just did some updates to make it work better. Here, click on Show Hide Last Testing Date Info. I'm showing in this date the values for the last testing date. If I do this together with showing all the data labels, I will show in red and bold the last testing date values. If I remove this to my check data labels. Okay, this is here when I click on this checkbox here. Okay, but when I click this, I have also to check what I have here. So I have to execute the routine assigned to this. Book.worksheets number 1, or I can put the name dashboard like this. Just chart pages, which is this one. I activate this. Once it is activated, I'm going to use this command to make it visible, which is reinforced by this other command for each series collections. According to the value, this is my value here, which is a Boolean, which is in this case true because I click on this. If you remember, this is the value of this, which is true if it is clicked. And I get this, and I will show you for each series collection in my chart this. So I get this. As simple as that.